Check this out. I got my valve cover all cleaned up and repainted. You can still see all the numbers, but this is engine paint that I've used. But yeah, the old silver paint was flaking off the outside. It's in perfect shape on the inside. Pretty sure that's painted in there. But yeah, that's all cleaned up and ready to go back on. I should be getting the gasket tomorrow so I can finally make some more progress. And while I'm waiting, I'm also de-rusting the top of the pull chain thing here. I'm gonna try and save the sticker. I don't know if that'll work or not, but yeah, I've got it in rust removing solution for now. I scraped all the old paint off and used paint remover to get more of it off, and I tried my best to grind off all the really chunky rust. And so what is left, if the rust remover doesn't get it, well, then I'll just paint over it with the red oxide paint. Also got all these little pieces cleaned up that go to the pull start. I'll get those re-greased. And oh, here's something you shouldn't do. Leave your knife open when you're not using it. And yeah, I got these pieces all cleaned up. So they're ready to go back on. Oh, I do need to order a new air filter. This one is getting crumbly around the edges. So all these discolored spots, yeah, they're still like right there especially. Yeah, it's starting to crumble, so I need a new air filter. Good news, everyone. I put the new needle and seat in the carburetor. I got the valve cover put back on because the yeah, all those parts came in the mail finally. So here's my nice painted valve cover. Looks a little out of place on this old lawnmower, but you know, you clean up one part at a time and eventually you have a nice machine, I guess. Anyway, but yeah, so I put so it's got a new spark plug, it's got a new spacer, and it's got a new needle and seat. And I'm pretty sure it must have been the needle and seat based on the symptoms, but I couldn't help myself. I went ahead and put all the parts on at the same time, and not only did it run, but I was able to mow my backyard finally. So now I just need to put all the peripheral parts together, get a new air filter for it, and it'll be good to go. Oh, while I had it off, yeah, I think I showed this before, but yeah, this is getting primed. This is primed, and it's already got, I'm gonna have to clean it off, it's already got pollen all over it. That's okay. Just needs a coat of black and reassemble that and put that back on. So, but yeah, I'm really jazzed. My lawnmower works again. The funny thing is I can't see a difference between the old needle and seat and the new needle and seat. They look exactly identical to me. But for whatever reason, the lawnmower likes them better. So what the lawnmower wants, the lawnmower gets, because I want to be able to mow my lawn. So I'll come back when it's all assembled. Well, there it is, mostly all assembled and ready to go, except for the very top piece. But yeah, I haven't painted that yet, but I'll get that all put back together. That wasn't really the issue. It runs great, and it's a little bit better than it was before it broke, and it's also a little bit worse. I gotta drill out these two bolts and rethread that. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, because everyone knows what a finished lawnmower looks like, and this one works now. So yeah, I'm not too concerned about getting it done on camera. All the symptoms kind of pointed to the carburetor, and my best guess was the needle and seat, although it seemed to me it was working okay, but it obviously wasn't. So maybe that'll help somebody out someday, or at the very least, I hope you were entertained, and thank you for watching.